Multimeter UT118B is a pen-portable device in a small, elongated cabinet. It should be noted that this device is equipped with inherent stylus, hidden under protective cup. The latter is connected to the COM plug at the end. With the help of such a multimeter, you can measure constant and alternating voltage up to 300 volt, resistance of up to 30 megohm, capacitance up to 300 microfarad. It can also be used for checking electron-hole junction of semiconductors and making continuity tests. We use switches of operational conditions in order to switch on the device and press Select button in order to choose unit measure. When we measure alternating voltage of a standard electric network of 220 volt, measured data are printed on the LCD display. Under poor light, you can switch on intensified display, and next to stylus of a multimeter appears the light-emitting illumination. To fix measured information on the display, hold button is used. It is supplied with a disk battery CR2032.